Tell me about fast setup.
You know, the big thing would be the MicroGrad Dial wrench. That gives you very precision adjusting, and you can document that. You can put it in the setup sheet, so next time you run it, you know to set it at 1 mark or 3 marks, whatever it is. Even if you go to a different machine, even if you had a different cartridge, if you ran it in a TF25 and you had to set it at setting a 3, you go to a TF20, you still set it at 3. You're going to get that exact tension. So there's minimal experience needed, no guessing games, you know, trying to clamp the collet manually. You set it where you set it last time, you're ready to go.
Yeah, every graduation of the MicroGrad Dial is basically 1/1000th diameter of closure of the part. So it's calibrated. It's the same setting no matter which machine you're on. So you can record that setting in your setup plan. And the day shift, the night shift, the new guy, the old guy, they can all set it the same way. It takes away a lot of the operator skill necessary to set your clamping force tight enough to hold the part, but loose enough, not overly tight to where it damages the part.